How to find usernames and passwords on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find usernames and password on Android phone. First, in open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here this one, security, and then scroll down again, and here you will find password vault. Click on it and then just type your device password, and here you will find it, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find usernames and passwords on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.